is AK Garage. Today I'm come to show you how if your car bend gasket or engine bend gasket, your gasket bend, the sign, that's one sign that you have to know about it. It give you one sign of if your engine bend gasket. You see, if your engine bend gasket, you open where you pour oil. You can see here there's water inside of the valve cover. See, there's water inside. And then take your dipstick. Your dipstick. So your engine is overheating. See, the bend gasket. You take your dipstick and check the tips or the mouth of the dipstick. The tips or the mouth of the dipstick, you can see water has mixed it. The coolant has mixed the oil. That means your engine has bent gaskets. Sometimes you see that your engine, your coolant is boiling, or the water inside the tank is boiling. Sometimes too it's cool. You just experience overheating. You check the oil and see. You take off your dipstick and see the mouth with the water. It has made the oil. That means your head gasket has bent. You can see this water has mixed. So the overheating bent head gasket. The one sign that you identify is you check your oil. The dipstick, take off the dipstick and check the tips of it. You can see that it's overheating. The coolant has mixed the oil. Means your gasket has been. Immediately you identify that your head gasket has got bent. Subscribe to AK Garage. Anyway, thank you.